What's up, guys? This is my 1990 Honda Acty Street van, and this is the EX model with factory dual sunroofs. This is one of my personal vehicles. It's been in my collection. It's been like a toy for me. I've enjoyed it. I managed to get it California plated. So it's registered in California, 2026 tags. I have the pink slip in my name. Everything is legitimate. I'm trying to think what else. So I purchased this van from an importer down in LA, and I did a bunch of stuff to it. So the tires are 12-inch. I bought them from Japan. I had to have them shipped over here via eBay. So the tires are actually shipped from Japan, brand new. They have about, I'd say 1,000 kilometers on them. The van also has 113,000 kilometers, which I believe is about 72,000 miles, roughly, give or take. Thing's really clean, no rust, which is really hard to find. I looked at, 10 of these, I'd say, when I bought this, before I bought this one, and they all have rust. This one actually has legitimately no rust, and I learned, like even the original floor mats, Honda floor mats, original interiors in great shape. I have, look at that, the original floor mats. I added an Integra stock stereo so I could have US stations, has factory air conditioning, works, but doesn't blow ice cold, it blows cold, but not ice cold. We got rear air, digital clock. This is the EX, so it has, let's see, open this, dual sunroofs, one in the front, one in the back. Very clean car. Like I say, I looked for one with no rust. That was the biggest thing to me, is finding one. It's just dirt without any cancer. They all seem to have cancer. This one does not have cancer. Headliner's in really good shape. Yeah, if you're looking for something you can enjoy, fun, this is a toy. So I've driven it, let's say, I think about 3,000 kilometers, right? It'll do, I've learned, this is a two-wheel drive model, which is what I wanted, because the four-wheel drives are slow. They go 60 max. This one will do about 70. It'll do 70 comfortably. Any more than that, you're pushing it. I mean, you're already pushing it at 70, but it'll do it fine. I've taken it on long trips. I drove it all the way, 100 miles away, 100 miles back. It's reliable. It runs great. I picked a good one. Like I said, I looked at many of them, and they're all clapped, beat up garbage. This one actually is in insanely good shape. I learned that they all rust here, which this one doesn't have any rust. See, it's all clean. And then they also rust down here, which this one is clean too as well. So no rust at all. Super clean car, which is hard to find from an import, because Japan is naturally a salty, very salty area. It runs good. This is a killer vehicle. Like I say, this is my toy, man. I've driven this thing a long time and a long way. Let's show you the undercarriage. Still has all of its even torque marks on it, which finding one, look at that, clean, no rust, is very hard. All my Acty people can chime in and go, yeah, they're all rusted out, especially the four-wheel drives, because the people that have the four-wheel drives use them in a salty area. Roof is in good shape, dual sunroofs. Paint is 100% original. You can see it's starting to oxidize on the edge, but the paint is 100% original. It's not repainted, no accidents, original glass. This has JDM bronze glass. So you see the glass almost looks like it has like a bronze tint to it. It has the JDM bronze glass, which is a very rare accessory. That's something you won't find another one with. The specs that this one is in is very rare. I challenge you to find another street EX model in the States. Dual sunroofs, bronze glass, all the cool accessories. This thing's sweet. You could put bikes in here, whatever you would like to do. I'll tell you what, this thing gets more attention than a dang Ferrari. You can go spend $250,000 on a supercar and you won't get the amount of attention that you get driving this little van around. You talk to people at every light, it seems like. Every single light, people are asking you questions. What is it? Is it a Honda? Obviously. People love it. Girls, old people, young kids, everyone seems to love this car. It's the craziest thing I've ever driven. You don't get hardly any attention driving a little EG hatchback or something, but driving this van, man, everyone comes together and loves it. It's pretty cool. But anyway, I have, let's see if I can get it out here. The original, all the original stuff was bought in Japan, which is cool. It has all the booklets. It's just I was told this had only one owner in Japan, I can't prove it, but I believe that by the condition, someone took good care of this thing, didn't drive it on salty roads or anything. And that's the Primo sticker, same place it was bought new. Super cool. But anyway, let's go for a drive. Day in the life of owning a Honda Acty Street van. This thing, man, it's got AC. It's got rear air too. USB manual. All right, let's zoom out here. I don't even know. It's got a clean title in my name, 2026 tags. I think I'm gonna ask roughly 10, maybe 9. Your best bet to get a hold of me is on Instagram. That's the quickest and easiest way to get a hold of me. But yeah, here it is. She drives good. We're in second gear. Third gear. Keep in mind, these things are slow. I think it has 30 some horsepower. Some Acty people will correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, fourth gear, fifth gear, cruises. Anyway, hit me up on Instagram if you guys are interested. I appreciate the love. Like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks.